Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use voice chat in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to go to roblox.com. Now go to the top right, click on the gear icon and click on settings. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that you verify your birth date. Okay. You will have an edit button right here. Just click on it and add in a birthday that is 13 plus. Okay. Now, once that's done, you'll be able to see a verification button. Just click on it, follow simple prompts until you get verified. Also, for some countries, it may need you to verify your phone number as well. So what you'll do is just click on the phone number setting, okay, or edit button, click on it, add in your phone number, and just click on verify until you have the verified tag. Now, once that's done, go to the left panel, click on privacy and content restrictions right here. Click on content maturity and either select a moderate or restricted. Okay. Once that's done, go back, click on communications. Now here we have voice chat. Make sure that this one is enabled. And again, you won't be able to see this one if under account info, your age or phone number is not verified. Now, once you have it all set up, you can now go ahead and open up a Roblox game that is mic enabled. Okay. And make sure when you open up Roblox, you already plugged in your microphone or headset with a mic. Now let's go ahead and open up a game right here that can handle microphone or voice chat. And then once that's done, or once it's open, just go to the top left, click on this Roblox icon, go to settings, like so. Now scroll down until you find input device, select the correct input device, okay? Input device is your microphone. Scroll through these options right here until you find your specific microphone. Once done, click on resume. Now enable your microphone by using this mute, unmute button, okay? Click on it and you'll be able to see that it's currently working now. That is it. That is how you enable or use voice chat here in Roblox. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.